been a hectic morning, but we made it. I came a little early. We actually set up the merch booth right here, and as you can see, we're at Garage Collective right now. I'm so freaking excited. This year is the, what is it, like the 3rd or 4th year? I haven't even counted.
I think it's the 3rd because I think 2021 was the first one, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. Last year we did the rap reveal for the STI. It was so fun. We had a merch booth, the DJ, everything. We did have the rap shop, and I actually had Joel film too. He's actually behind the camera this year as well. So appreciate you, bro. Yeah, it's been a hectic morning. We got pretty much everything set up. If you guys want to check it out, this was super. Okay, I was not planning on this. Super last minute, but we made skate decks to match the t-shirt. Got the More Cruising Less Stress. I think this is by far my favorite skate deck. But yeah, I've got a whole bunch of stuff at the booth. I'm excited. We got the license plate frames, we got jet tags, and just a whole bunch of new t-shirts, man. You excited, bro?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do a little something different. I know it's nothing crazy, but we're doing a raffle this year. We got a jack. We got one of the BRZ skate decks. I know a lot of you guys wanted to get in on these. I gotta get ready. Low-key rushing.
Filipino time.
I know.
I spent my whole life thinking out the box. Boxing homies 3-on-1, got DP, but I ain't dropped. Chirp on me, here I come. Spin around the block, they blurted on me. Said I ran a stop sign, but that's a lie. I spent my whole life staring at the stage, playing Sega, daddy smoking Sherm, mama playing spades, catching vapors. Grandma said I get some Jordans for my grades, that's my baby. When she died, my heart broke 100 ways. I spent my whole life trying to make it, trying to chase it. The cycle of a black man divided, trying to break it. You take a lost shit, don't cry about it, just embrace it. Mine a setback for major comeback, that's my favorite. My nigga L said you do a song with Nip, K-Dot here better grip. I said here man first, you hear the words out his lips about flourishing from the streets to black businesses. Level 4 y'all living, giving to false imprisonment. Listen close, my nigga, it's bigger than deuces and foes, my nigga. Since elementary, we close, my nigga, you're straight like that. I give you the game, go back to the turf and give it right back. For generations, we've been dealt bad hands with bad plans. Prove your dedication by hopping out Grand Ams. I'm at the premiere, politicking with Top Nip and Snoop. Damn, Pac watching the way we groove for dedication. If it ain't congratulating, I look like hey, congratulating, I look like what Nipsey. Hold up.
This ain't entertainment. It's 4 niggas on a slave ship. These songs just the spirituals I swam against them waves with. Ended up on shore to their amazement. Now I hope the example I set's not contagious. Lock us behind gates but can't tame us. Used to be stay safe, now stay dangerous. Cause ain't no point playing defense, nigga. That's why I dove off the deep end, nigga, without a life jacket. Couple mil, throw the world, got my life crack. Cook the books, bring it back, so there's no taxes. Royalties, publishing, plus our own masters. I'd be damned if I slave for some white crackers. I was mapping this out, I hit the heights backwards. Hopping out the 85 and Reebok classics. Read a couple marathons just to get established. To make it happen, you got to have dedication. Hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication. It's dedication.
Man, my AC doesn't work. My car says 115 outside, but I don't believe that. I don't think it's that hot.
Yeah, it was saying it was 102 in Jason's.
Okay, it's hella freaking hot, bro. But we finally made it to the first spot. And it's a big ass turnout, bro. I'm freaking hyped, man.
You know what you want, you
It's hot as fuck out here, man.
Does your AC work?
Make sure y'all drink your water today. Yeah, my AC works. I don't know if his works.
It doesn't.
You stay true to this, you can bet that it's all on me. Private jets never leave you lonely. Push the start, you don't need no key.
Still people
I
rolling.
don't know, I gotta ask you a question though. Should I take off my front plate for the cruise?
Nah.
No?
Nah, I would leave it on.
Spit
I
on,
don't
put it
know.
in your mouth. I apologize, I be going crazy. Fucking like I'm trying to have a baby.
All right, so pretty big turnout. Chris over here trying to mingle. We might have to leave a little bit earlier than expected just because there was a lot of traffic coming up here, but it's a pretty big turnout. More packed than you expected?
Yeah, man. I should have picked a bigger spot. This spot's kind of small. I've never been here to this spot, but I heard like a lot of you guys are telling me you should do it here, so I mean, Now I know for next year.
You know what you want, you like period. You won't take a lame nigga serious. Little shawty got me curious. Would you stay true to this? You could bet, hey, it's all on me. Private jets.
Saw Sheriff pull up, so
You think they're gonna kick us out or?
I don't know. Okay.
Yeah, I don't give a shit here. Somebody called and complained.
Okay.
I don't give a shit.
Okay, it's just a casual birthday.
This is a casual birthday meeting? Whose birthday is it?
It's mine. Yeah.
Your
So
birthday?
I kind of just set up this thing. We're gonna cruise down to San Diego right now. So
Dude, man, happy birthday.
really good. Thank you.
What kind of car you got?
It's a European. BMW? Alright, bro.
Hey, that actually went smoother than I
He's
expected.
like, I don't care. He's like, you guys do whatever. That's hard.
Hey, why didn't you tell me it was boosted?
Bro, dude, I was looking about to lie. I was like, I got a
Miata.
Honda Civic. I don't know. If I look at my car. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Put it all on me. When it get hard, you can call on me. Put you in the Benz, NASCAR to me. It don't matter where you are, you ain't too far from me. Born east side spit, baby, call on me. She said, smile for me, daddy, pour water on me. She slow wine, that team, trying pour for me. Put that pussy on the plate, say it's all for me. Yeah, hold on, it felt loving so long.
I need gas too.
Do you?
Of course, I literally have like 2 bars left. Of
Do you need 85?
Yeah, so I think we're gonna have one of the boys from Local. They're bringing, I think a E85. So once that comes in, we'll be good to go.
She wanna get right with it, she got right with me. She wanna bring a friend, that's alright with me. Say, baby, do what you want. For that other nigga, cause I do what he don't. When I ain't your phone, girl, you know what I want. But I tell
Why is he not
you,
doing a speech, bro?
Because you're supposed to do the speech. Hey, start
You're my
yelling.
best man.
My best man is crazy.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, hey. Road running. No pressure, my brother said, let me hold something. I'm cold on the close, expecting a cold summer. But trust me, it ain't so that I own something. Yeah, road running. But I can't escape the city, I rose from it. Watch how you talking like you control something. But trust me, it ain't so that I own something.
It's how it go and you the realest. They gon' know it ain't gon' feel the shit you saying to 'em. Misery, all these injuries and I'm still playing through 'em. Swear to God, we been running up shit like the sand dunes. Niggas got feelings for these bitches and we ran through 'em. All honeys, brought her to my brother and we ran through 'em. Big shit, curly nigga top up like some can too. She ain't used to fuck with my motion and she began to. Me and Blxst, we been on they ass and wait for brand new. Wake it up, count and call my partner up and break it up. Running, I've been sitting with me, just try and shake it up. 200, you can't make it up. That shit so free.
Road running.
Wild. This has been a hectic day, but dude, check it out. This day is just like getting started. It's wild. What do you think?
Dude, I had a feeling it was gonna be like this. I just didn't think it was gonna wrap around the block.
Running. But I can't escape the city, I rose from it. Watch how you talking like you control something. But trust me, it ain't so that I owe something. Yeah, made it out, finally in positions that we prayed about. Crazy how, they don't call it hate, I guess it may be doubt. Soon as I got in the door, they just wanna take me out.
Nah, man, this is crazy. Just like blown away. I'm still speechless. I'm just trying to like gather my thoughts, dude. Like, this is such a freaking hectic morning. But just being here, like, just, you know, ready to settle down. I just want to thank you guys so much. So we can get a little round of applause for everybody that I came through. This stuff means so much to me. You know, I want to do this like every single year for my birthday. It's just a way to like kind of give back to you guys. You know, there's not a lot of hard stuff going on nowadays. So it's always awesome to just like, you know, get everybody in one space. So I appreciate you guys. We got Evan from the DJ. He was there last year for the STI reveal. Give him a round of applause. And of course, you know, we got my circle over here. We appreciate you guys so much. Got my family right here in the corner. Say what's up to this. We got my mom, my sister, all the nephews. And I think 6 o'clock, we're gonna do a raffle. You know, feel at home, man. There's so much space here. You know, just kick it, have a good time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy yourselves. I appreciate it.
If I make it to heaven, I hope they still drinking, bro. I hope I get to see Nick. Me and him have a few. Talk about 96. The shit that y'all never knew. When we was still in polo, then wear it up to the school.
Hey, take that first bite.
First bite? Say what you want, but that don't make it the truth. When it's 91 outside, bet it's 69 in my coupe. The AC blowing strong, and we smoking that oat. Her homegirl looking good, yeah, I'm scoping that too. But I heard you got her pregnant. That's what's up when y'all do. Then somebody knocked on my door. Nick, I'm hoping that's you, but that's a dream deferred, and they don't always come true. 4 minutes to 4, the bus ride after school. If I make it to heaven, I hope it comes with a view, so I can see LA. Niggas know how I do. Fuck with me and get smoked, or fuck with me and smoke too.
Bro, I came all the way from Chicago.
Juice. Yeah, nigga, it was the ghost. And the bitches shaking they ass. I'm like, damn, what it do? She like, damn, can we fuck? Call me up and come through. Watch whatever you want. Champagne in there too. Niggas know what I sell. Tats on both of my wrists. And love and memory of hip hop. I got that in 06. A nigga so well.
547 at 6 can do the raffle. So if you have a ticket, stay close. We'll do announce all the numbers. And yeah, 13 more minutes.
Some no longer exist, and they got moms just like me.
Kill the vlog. That was like 3-4 years ago, that's crazy. So it's like the same stuff I use all the time in my videos. So who wants to pick the first one? Alright, ready? Wait. Close your eyes, The last 037. The last 3 digits. 037. You got it? Watch it, come down here, bro. So it's a green ticket. You got a green one. The 047034. Hey, give it up for that. Hey, we got the match. Congrats, thank you so much. Green ticket. So this is for the skateboard, the BRZ skateboard. Actually, I'm gonna just give away. How many skateboards do we have on the floor over there? 3? Okay. I'm gonna give away 2 more. So let's just do 3 decks. So green one, 047088. 047088. All those two. Who wants to pick? Mom? Come up here, Mom. Should we do another video? Should we do another video of my mom driving the car? Who watched that video? She drove. Lost that. This is for another skateboard deck, BRZ one.
066.
Oh, you gotta grab those pictures. Congrats, bro. So this is actually pretty cool. I actually really want this for myself. This is so sick. I'm literally gonna buy one probably tomorrow. It's an aluminum low profile like mini jack. So it's like super lightweight. You can put it in your trunk anywhere. It's so sick. Like I'm literally gonna buy one tomorrow. All for myself. So let's give this one away. 047008. Nobody? Oh, it's you? Oh snap, bro. All right. So this is crazy. He actually messaged me. I recognized him. He came all the way from Chicago. That's amazing, man. He literally hopped on the flight. He was messaging me the whole time. He's saying too. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. It's all yours.
All right, man. What's your name?
My name's Dom.
Dom?
Yeah.
And I'm Chaya.
Okay. How long have you guys been subscribers to the channel for?
I don't know the exact date, but I remember when Chris first put the Rocket Bunny V3 kit on the FRS.
What is it? What do you guys enjoy watching the most on the channel?
Like FRS BRZ things. Like this is my car right here. It's a little dirty, but this is my baby, and I think Chris inspired me to get this car.
What car do you think he's gonna get next? Because if you guys have been keeping up, he's gonna be selling the STI. What do you think is gonna be next on the channel?
I think a BMW for sure.
BMW?
A BMW or a Mustang.
A Mustang? Okay.
He's gonna go back to his roots, I think.
Gotcha. Well, I appreciate you guys for coming out. They were the first ones at the booth.
Yeah.
Just wanted to show some love. Appreciate you guys.
Beautiful girls all over the world.
I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you, baby. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby.
Yeah.
Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. I know you feel where I'm coming from, regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On a carousel, so around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won.
Alright, guys. Man, what a freaking... I don't even know, man. That turnout was just wild, bro. I'm still blown away. It's been, what has it been, like 4 to 5 days. The cruise was last Saturday, and man, like, I'm still blown away. This, like, every single year it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Something about just like talking to you guys in person and just like shaking your hand and I don't know, just stuff like that, bro. It touches me, man. And I just want to say thank you so much. You know, if you pulled up to the birthday cruise and just showed some support, man, just said what's up, you know, purchased something from the merch booth, anything, you know, just being in that environment with me, it's so surreal, bro. And I owe it all to you guys and the man above. I'm just so thankful to just be able to have, you know, like a turnout like that, man. This is stuff that I used to like pray for like years ago, and I don't even have the words. Like, I'm just being a broken record. It was such a great turnout. Honestly, to be honest, the cruise part I was kind of disappointed on. There's so much traffic. Oh my gosh, bro, there's so much traffic. I literally was only cruising with like maybe 3 other people, and it was unfortunate because there's so many people at the cruise meetup spot. And since there's so much traffic, everybody got split up, and it was just like stop and go traffic the whole way, which low-key kind of sucked, man. It was a little bit disappointing because that was kind of like the part I was looking forward to, is, you know, just like taking over the freeway, just a whole bunch of cars. It's all good, you know, it is what it is. It was a great turnout regardless. I literally just finished up editing the video. I'm like literally editing it right here. And looking back on the footage, there's not a lot of car stuff, to be honest. So like I said, you know, the cruise part was kind of hard because there's a lot of traffic. But yeah, I feel like the majority of the video was just kind of like saying what's up to everybody and just kind of like BTS of, you know, what was going on at the event. So I apologize, you know, if it wasn't that much car stuff in this video, but regardless, I wanted to kind of capture this event for whoever didn't, you know, make it to the event. As you guys saw, I did sell merch at that event. I get this question a lot, you know, is that stuff going to be on the website for the people out of state? And yes, I believe next Friday, I'll put the date right here on the screen. I will put it up on the website. So I'm actually wearing it right now, the More Cruising Less Stress t-shirts. And also I'm doing, I think, 10 skateboard decks online for the people online that'll be live on the website. I'll go and remind you guys probably on Instagram too. Yeah, I don't want to make this too long. I just want to kind of close this video off. Massive shout out to all you guys, man. I love you guys so freaking much. You know, for all you guys out of state, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. But yeah, cheers to an amazing 2024 cruise and event. I love you guys, man. Seriously, I seriously would not know where I would be without you guys. And to say the least, man, I'm just blessed and thankful. I say that a million times.
Nothing on you, babe.